Does your mind ever feel like it just won't slow down? One thought after another, worry after worry, and no matter how hard you try, you just can't stop. So today, for just 2 minutes, I want you to pause. Take a moment for yourself, because today, you're going to learn how to gently reset your mind. Gautam Buddha once said, "The mind is everything. What you think, you become." When we overthink, we get trapped in our own thoughts. Overthinking means replaying the same thoughts again and again, living in the past and worrying about the future. But here's the truth. The past is not in your control, and neither is the future. This moment, right now, is all you truly have. Peace comes from within. Do not seek it outside. Now, gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, and slowly breathe out. Just focus on your breath. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Gently bring it back to your breathing. This is meditation. You are not your thoughts. You are simply the observer of them. Imagine this. Your mind is like the sky, and your thoughts are like clouds. Some are dark, some are light. But does the sky ever change? No. Your true nature is calm. Thoughts will come, but you don't have to hold on to them. Let them come and let them go. Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Focus your mind on the present moment. When you eat, just eat. When you walk, just walk. Be fully present in everything you do. This is mindfulness, and this is the cure to overthinking. Sometimes we overthink because we're not at peace with ourselves. We blame ourselves. We replay our mistakes. But you deserve your own love and kindness. Accept what has happened. Forgive yourself and move forward. One of the biggest reasons we overthink is attachment. To people, to situations, to expectations. But everything changes. What you hold on to can also cause your suffering. So today, practice letting go. Now, take one more deep breath and gently say to yourself, "I am not my thoughts. I am calm. I am present." Peace is not outside. It is already within you. You just need to reset your mind.